If people opening your Gamma link are seeing an access denied message or a request permission screen, don't worry. This is usually caused by restricted visibility settings, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gamma app sharing permissions step by step. This is a simple fix, but it's important because if your deck is set to private, other people won't be able to open it even if you already sent them the link. So if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your Gamma presentation. You can do this from your dashboard by clicking on the deck you want to share, or by opening the presentation directly if you already have it saved. Once your presentation is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where Gamma keeps all of the sharing controls for your presentation. After the sharing panel opens, look for the link sharing section. This is the key area we need to check because this setting controls who can open your presentation using the link. If it's currently set to restricted, that means only specific people can access it and everyone else will be blocked. That's exactly what causes the access denied or request permission message. To fix it, change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link can view. Once you do that, Gamma will allow anyone who has the link to open and view the presentation without needing to request access. This is the fastest fix if you want to make your deck publicly viewable or easily shareable with clients, teammates, classmates, or viewers. After that, test the link again in an incognito window or send it to yourself to make sure it opens correctly. If it works, then the permission issue is fixed. But there's one more thing you should check, especially if you're working inside a team or company workspace. Sometimes the deck may still be blocked because the workspace itself has sharing restrictions turned on. So if the link is still not working, go back to the main Gamma dashboard. From there, click on the account icon in the bottom left corner, then select Workspace Settings. Inside Workspace Settings, find the Sharing and Permission option in the left panel. This area controls the default access rules for your entire workspace, not just one presentation. If the workspace sharing is set to no access, that can prevent your deck from being shared properly, even if the individual presentation settings look correct. Change the workspace sharing setting from no access to full access, so sharing is allowed at the workspace level too. After saving that change, go back to your presentation and double check the share settings one more time. Make sure the link sharing is set to anyone with the link can view, then copy the link and test it again. In most cases, these two steps will solve the problem completely. First, change the individual deck link setting from restricted to anyone with the link can view. And second, if needed, update the workspace sharing permissions from no access to full access. That should remove the access denied issue and stop people from seeing the request permission screen. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gamma tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.